everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before anything else, I would like to introduce myself to you guys. My name is Akira and I am 31 years old and I'm currently living here in New Zealand for like 5 years now. But I am originally came from Cebu, Philippines. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na guys, kung minsan yung Tagalog ko is bulol kasi bisdak na bisdak po ako mga guys. I would like to say thank you to my new all subscribers. Thank you so much guys. I hope na hindi po kayo magsawa na mag-support tayo each other. So yung vlog ko today guys is magluluto po ako ng crispy chicken wings sa oven. Kasi usually pag magluluto tayo, doon tayo sa deep fryer or sa frying pan using cooking oil. Pero yung sa akin tonight is sa oven ko lulutuin kasi sabi nila mas healthy daw sa oven. So, try ko magluto doon. Tapos, ito lang po yung yung ingredient. Yung first is yung sa Filipino na crispy fry na sachet. Tsaka yung second, baking powder. Yes guys. Yung baking powder kasi yun yung nakakatulong na mas lalo siyang mag-crispy yung skin niya. So, actually yung crispy fry, maano na yun, crispy na yun. Pero kasi, hindi ko na-try na gamitin yun sa oven. Crispy siya pag sa frying pan. So, just to make sure na crispy yung skin niya, lagyan natin ng konting baking powder. Konti lang. So, of course, chicken wings. Okay na, so let's get started. Preheat your oven in 180 degrees Celsius and then patuyuin po natin yung chicken para po mag-stick talaga yung mixture sa meat. So, I'm using paper towel to dry it out. So, mas maganda itong paper towel na gagamitin nyo guys kasi hindi siya mag-stick sa meat. And then after, prepare your second ingredients, the crispy fry. Third is the baking powder. And then ito yung tinatawag nila na freezer bag. Dito mo ilalagay yung mixture ng crispy fry at baking powder. Tapos, i-mix mo lang siya ng mabuti. Then, mix the chicken afterwards. And then, prepare your oven tray. Tapos, lagyan mo ng baking paper para hindi po mag-stick yung meat sa tray. Tapos, I'm using this rack para pantay po yung pagkaluto. Dito na po natin ilagay yung chicken. And I'm gonna cook this for 45 minutes.
Many minutes later.
At ito na po yung crispy chicken wings ko po, freshly baked from the oven. Exactly 45 minutes. Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.